Hi everyone, welcome back to our series of short videos covering off Microsoft 365 and Azure security offerings. My name is San, and as you know, I'm one of the Azure Solution Specialists here. And today, as always, I'm joined by the man, the myth, the legend. It is my colleague Adam, who is our Microsoft 365 Solution Specialist.
Yeah, hello everybody, and thanks for that introduction, Sam. So in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Microsoft Defender for M365, or as it's now known, Microsoft Defender XDR. So Defender XDR is a cybersecurity solution from Microsoft that provides unified protection against advanced cyber attacks across endpoints, identities, email, and applications as well. It can use artificial intelligence and automation to detect, disrupt, and remediate cyber threats in near real time.
This is all true, Adam, and actually where Defender is particularly useful is in cases where attackers move laterally across domain boundaries. So, for example, moving between applications, endpoints, identities, and data. Now, by moving laterally across these domain boundaries, it makes it difficult for security teams to put together a full picture of an attack or even identify whether an attack has even taken place. So, for example, studies have actually found that around 50% of successful cyber attacks remain undetected despite organizations, in many cases, having multiple security products in place. It's mental. Now, as an automated cross-domain tool, Defender can identify these threats before they become attacks, stop them in their tracks, and then break down the attack for the context of a security team. But Adam, thinking about giving users context and insights into cyber threats, Defender XDR really makes those insights accessible to everyone, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely, Sam. So there's one of the key draws of Defender really, is that it's made so that it can be a useful tool for everybody within the organisation, from a full-blown SOC team to just administrators or sales associates or receptionists alike. It compiles information into the Microsoft Threat Protection Dashboard, which requires no specific expertise or customization, just making it that much more convenient for larger teams to be able to use the tool and access it. While accessible, that doesn't mean that the information it provides is any less valuable to security professionals, and professionals can further customize workflows or adjust sensitivity to certain metrics to change the way that Microsoft Defender responds to threats and protects the organization. So Defender filtering through and responding to threats is also valuable, as it frees up your security team to focus on hunting for sophisticated attacks that face your organization. And Defender, combined with your security team's organisational expertise, can investigate and uncover these sophisticated breaches.
Yeah, this is true, Adam. We actually know a big challenge right now for security teams is actually freeing up their analysts' time through automation and knowing exactly how and what to automate. Now, one study recently found that cybersecurity teams spend around 30% of their time on repetitive tasks, so Defender could actually cure quite a lot of these headaches for them. And actually, Microsoft are adding extra features and support all the time, such as Security Copilot in Microsoft Defender, which is currently in preview. This actually makes it a bit easier for security teams to automate and curate cyber threats intelligence and helps them to detect and disrupt cyber threats in near real time, streamlining the investigation process and the response process. But moving on back to Microsoft Defender, as we've discussed, it covers all of applications, endpoints, identities, and data, doing this across your Microsoft 365 environment. But Adam, how does it actually manage this?
So Defender leverages artificial intelligence and automation to automatically stop attacks and remediate assets into a safe state. So it can identify any attacks you may face across endpoints, emails, applications, and identities, stop them, and then put things back to the way they were. And it does all of this in one place, simplifying the process massively. There is a great infographic that Microsoft have created to explain why an all-in-one solution like Defender XDR is so important. And basically it shows a user opening a phishing email, which then installs a malware, which gets the user's identity, and with this the attacker is able to then move laterally and gain access to other sensitive data in the network. So this example alone shows how cyber attacks can work across applications, endpoints, identities, and data with ease. But fortunately for us, Defender XDR has solutions that monitor each stage of this journey and work together to identify, prevent, and remediate, and provide visibility for the whole process to security teams.
Yeah, absolutely right. And in terms of how it actually sees these attacks, it runs real-time anti-malware protection whenever your device is on, scanning apps and files on your device for potential threats. So as well as this, it will also do quick scans of your device on a daily basis, just in case anything does manage to get past the real-time anti-malware checks. Of course, it only will run these checks with your permission. It's not going to do it otherwise. And none of the information about your apps or files is going to be sent to Microsoft. But using the Microsoft Defender XDR, you can actually benefit from a unified security operations platform which integrates detection, prevention, and investigation and response across your M365 environment. So it's actually helping to secure your environment, automate to reduce complexity and your security team's workload, and provide a much more needed context.
So, if Microsoft Defender sounds as though it appeals to you, Microsoft Defender is included in your M365 Business Premium, E3 or E5 plans, or as an add-on in the E5 Security add-on. So, if you'd like to discuss any of what we've discussed today in greater detail, if you'd like more information on any of the licensing options or pricing for Microsoft Defender XDR, you can get in touch with us. Either myself or Sam or one of our dedicated in-house partner managers will be absolutely more than happy to speak to you. They'll be happy to help, offering impartial advice on licensing, hands-on support in getting set up, or even just by simply answering any questions that you may have. So that's all from us this time and in this short video. Thank you for watching. Once again, get in touch with any questions, or you can check out other videos in this series on our website for more information on Microsoft's other security offerings. So it's goodbye from us. Speak to you soon.
Goodbye.